We're going to talk about how much it costs to build a shipping container house. Hi, I'm Larry Lane. I'm an architect, and I have been exploring all kinds of ways to design and build shipping container buildings, and I want to let you know what I found out about the construction cost of building a shipping container house. Now, my son is about to graduate from college, and he's going to need a place to live. And so I was thinking, well, would it be economical for him to move into a shipping container house that he and I build ourselves? Well, in order to figure out how much it would cost, I had to design a shipping container house. And it looks like this. Also, I needed another element. There were two elements. We needed the design, and also the second one, we needed a construction cost calculator. And I came up with my own construction cost calculator. You can download it for free at liveinacontainer.com. And the way I came up with this is by talking to a lot of architects, a lot of builders, cost estimators, and actually one of those builders was one that makes shipping container homes as a continuous business. That's his deal. To get the unit prices, I just went online and just to see what the material cost is on various websites. And I also used my own experience, 30 years designing buildings, to find out how much it cost to build past buildings and apply what was applicable to the construction of my son's shipping container home. So then just select what materials are necessary for your shipping container building and put in those unit costs. Bada boom, bada bing, it's there. It's a whole calculator. It's so easy to use. Go to liveinacontainer.com and pick up yours for free. Just download it from there. It's so easy to use. So using my design, doing all the area takeoffs, and this construction cost calculator, I was able to determine that it cost about $290 a square foot. Now that's US dollars to build a shipping container. Now that's if you hire a general contractor to use it and you're not really skimping on too many materials. Landscaping, it does include a little bit of landscaping, but not much. But then it'll be a very nice house for you to move into. Surprisingly and happily, I found that you can cut that cost in half if you build it yourself. Using two 40-foot shipping containers to make a one-bedroom house, you can also make a two-bedroom house. I designed it as a one-bedroom with one bathroom. To build a shipping container house with that, it comes out to $184,000. Now, if you go to liveinacontainer.com, I'll put a link down below, and pick up that construction cost calculator, you're going to find categories. These categories are numbered in divisions, and each division is based on the CSI format, which is a construction industry format of in a certain order of which you'll be addressing each one. It's progressively the same way as you're going to be building a building in that same order. And then you can pick and choose what applies to your shipping container building and then insert those unit prices on those, and bada boom, bada bing, you've got yourself a cost for your shipping container building. Simple. Go get yours for free at liveinacontainer.com. I'll put a link down below for you to be able to go to it. Let me know down below, write a comment about how you have calculated the cost of a shipping container if you've already built one. I'd like to know your method too. And if this video has been helpful for you, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below so that you can join me when we explore all the cool things that you can build with shipping containers.